Imagine being mistaken for your son at the age of 51? It might sound like a scene from a sci-fi film. Meet Paul Sklar, the living example of eternal youth. His story is about defying age and rewriting the rules of possibility. With a physique that defies time and a mindset that overcomes all obstacles, Paul Sklar's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Paul Sklar isn't just a fitness legend. He's a living example of defying aging. His 51-year-old body would make people half of his age jealous. Once a world-ranked athlete, he effortlessly transitioned from the competitive realm to a role as a fitness coach. However, it's Paul's approachability that sets him apart. Even with his extraordinary physical prowess, Paul genuinely desires to help people and approaches them humbly. You feel free to sit down and talk with him because of his cheerful nature and warm smile. This grounded and approachable nature adds weight to Paul's perspectives. He's not advertising miracle cures or promising overnight makeovers. Instead, his guidance is grounded in his extensive understanding of the human body and years of first-hand experience. Paul shines as a beacon of sincerity in a society obsessed with youth and looks. He stays in shape without using tricks or shortcuts. Instead, he embraces the principles of diligence, self-control, and perseverance. Paul's experience demonstrates that age is just a number, and that anyone can achieve remarkable fitness objectives with the right mindset and dedication. You should listen to Paul Sklar if you want to improve your strength and well-being, or if you're approaching 50. Before beginning a fitness journey, Paul Sklar recommends creating a mental image of your ideal body. This visualization involves visualizing your perfect self, strong, self-assured, and full of energy, rather than just an image of a toned body. You may match your activities to your goals by clearly visualizing success, which will help you stay motivated and focused. Making a mental image of your ideal body can be a powerful transformational tool. It helps you see the future you want to create and unlock your inner potential. Whether your goal is to gain muscle, lose weight, or improve your general health, visualizing success can improve the direction and clarity you need to make your dreams come true. However, visualization alone isn't sufficient. Action must complement it. It's imperative to take concrete action to realize your vision after you've defined it. You should set clear fitness goals, create an exercise schedule, and modify your nutrition to achieve them. Using your mental image as a guide, you may overcome any challenges that come your way and find a way forward. Including visualization in your exercise regimen can also help you become more motivated and committed. You can find motivation and encouragement in the picture of your ideal body when faced with obstacles or failures. You can endure difficulties and stay firm in pursuing your goals if you always have your vision in front of your mind. Dreaming fit is about using your imagination to create the life and physique you want. Your dreams can come true, and you can realize your full potential by imagining success, making objectives, and acting on them. Paul Sklar understands the need to include cardio in a full-body exercise program. Cardio exercises considerably improve cardiovascular health, burn calories, and increase endurance. While strength training is necessary to develop new muscles and enhance existing strength, Paul takes a different approach to cardio than the traditional techniques though. Paul advocates for high-intensity internal training, HIIT, as an alternative to long, boring sessions on typical cardio equipment like the treadmill or elliptical machine. HIIT workouts involve alternating between short bursts of intense exercise and brief periods of rest or lower intensity activity. This technique increases metabolism, which causes your body to continue burning calories at a high rate even after your activity. It also maximizes calorie expenditure during the workout. HIIT offers several key benefits. Firstly, it's incredibly time efficient, with just 20 to 30 minutes yielding the same cardiovascular advantages as longer steady-state cardio sessions. This convenience makes it perfect for busy individuals with limited gym time. HIIT can also be customized to suit any fitness level, catering to beginners and seasoned athletes. Moreover, HIIT triggers the afterburn effect, scientifically known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. This means your body continues to burn calories accelerated for hours post-workout. Over time, this can result in significant fat loss and improved metabolic rate. Cardio doesn't have to be dull or lengthy to be effective. With HIIT, you can enjoy the perks of cardiovascular exercise in shorter durations while experiencing enhanced calorie burn and metabolic advantages. Integrating HIIT into your routine can yield significant results if you're a fitness enthusiast or a novice. As Paul Sklar continues to inspire with his age-defying physique, the burning question remains: is it steroids, TRT, great genetics, or an unparalleled mindset that keeps him in peak condition at 51? Paul takes a strong stand for going the natural way in a world where using performance-enhancing drugs is frequently associated with success in the fitness industry. Dispelling any speculation about shortcuts, Paul strongly argues that his aesthetic physique results from decades of hard and smart work. His extraordinary body is an outspoken rejection of any artificial means, including human growth hormone, HGH, testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, and performance-enhancing drugs. Paul becomes a source of motivation for anyone looking for genuine, long-term fitness results because of his commitment to the natural way. In a time when societal beauty standards often push people towards quick fixes and artificial enhancements, Paul Sklar stands as a living example of the enduring strength of dedication and authenticity. He emphasizes that shortcuts may offer fleeting benefits but often have a price tag on long-term health and well-being. Paul's unwavering commitment to natural fitness goes beyond his journey. It sends a message to inspire fitness enthusiasts that genuine success relies on hard work, consistency, and a resilient mindset. Paul Sklar's approach to nutrition is as straightforward as it is effective. He believes in fueling his body with whole, nutritious foods while practicing moderation and mindfulness. For Paul, eating healthy isn't about strict diets or deprivation. It's about making informed choices that support his fitness goals and overall well-being. Paul's day typically begins with a cup of coffee, but with a twist. He adds a scoop of chocolate collagen for added benefits. Collagen is known for supporting skin, hair, and nail health, making it a perfect addition to his morning routine. Paul opts for a fruit protein smoothie packed with protein powder, banana, peanut butter, and blueberries for mid-morning fuel. Paul likes to keep lunch simple, usually going with scrambled eggs and cheese with a mix of vegetables like peppers and spinach. He might treat himself to a traditional PB&J sandwich. Enjoy each bite. Paul enjoys a mindful health of cashews and almonds for snack. Dinner typically consists of family-friendly meals such as grilled chicken or vegetable pizza, ensuring a balanced and satisfying nutritional intake. Paul's approach to eating revolves around balance and moderation. He thinks enjoying your favorite foods in moderation is essential, but you should also prioritize nutrient-dense foods that support your fitness goals. Through mindful eating and paying attention to his body's hunger cues, Paul manages to sustain his impressive physique while enjoying his favorite meals. His meticulously structured and disciplined workout regimen is at the core of Paul Sklar's age-defying physique. At 51, he continues to inspire with his impressive physique, and now the curtain is pulled back on Paul's weekly exercise plan, a blend of intensity, variety, and unwavering consistency. The week begins on Monday with a focus on the legs and glutes. Paul's leg day program includes rigorous exercises like deadlifts, leg extensions, wall sits, barbell front squats, reverse alternating barbell lunges, and standing calf raises. This extensive lower body workout encourages fat burning, strength, and targeting of main muscle groups. On Tuesday, Paul uses this day to work on his abs. His ab routine includes demanding exercises such as alternating knee raise pull-ups, Russian twists, dead bugs, V-ups, crunches, and hollow holds. Together, these exercises strengthen Paul's core muscles and help him achieve a toned stomach, a defining feature of his physique. Paul works outside on Wednesday, breaking away from the conventional gym environment. It's lovely to escape the gym setting with a beautiful 5 to 6 mile run around his property in North Carolina. Apart from its physical advantages, running outside promotes mental clarity, cardiovascular health, and a change of pace. Paul returns to the gym on Thursday, concentrating on his back and chest. The standard exercises in his upper body program include bench presses, cable crossovers, straight arm cable pull-downs, seated cable rows, push-ups, diamond push-ups, pull-ups, chin-ups, parallel bar dips, and bench presses. This workout guarantees a thorough exercise for the back and chest muscles, enhancing their strength and definition. Friday becomes the day to address arms and shoulders. Paul's strength training program for this day includes push presses, military presses, reverse flies, dumbbell shrugs, hammer curls, single arm heavy band curls, tricep extensions, and cable row pushdowns. Paul guarantees that every muscle group gets focused attention by designing distinct days for them, promoting well-rounded growth. Unlike the previous demanding days, Saturday is Paul's day off. This deliberate break allows his body to recover and recharge, preparing it for the upcoming week's challenges. His understanding that rest is integral to any effective workout routine is a testament to his understanding. On Sundays, the family spends time together by leisurely walking outside. This kind of moderate exercise encourages social interaction in addition to physical activity. It is a reminder that maintaining one's fitness can be a shared and enjoyable experience with close friends and family members. Paul Sklar's training program combines intense strength training, outdoor activities, and peaceful rest. This structured approach not only cultivates his impressive physique, but also highlights the significance of diversity and commitment in attaining enduring fitness objectives. As individuals design their fitness routines, Paul's weekly plan stands as a valuable blueprint, a guide for those pursuing a well-rounded and efficient path to timeless vitality. Paul Sklar's secret isn't a potion or a shortcut. It's a mindset. It's the unwavering belief that age is no barrier to greatness and that anything is possible with dedication, discipline, and a refusal to make excuses. His journey serves as a beacon of inspiration to all who dare to dream, showing that true strength lies not in the muscle but in the resilience of the human spirit. So the next time you see Paul Sklar, remember, he's not just a man who defies age. He's a living testament to the power of determination and the eternal youth that resides within us all. If you found this video inspiring, like it and subscribe for more insightful content. Your support fuels our commitment to bringing you valuable stories and advice. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts and experiences. See you in the next video.